Welcome to the ARMR Report Market Minute. I'm your host, Brett Rosenthal. We're going to try to do some more of these where I just come on, give you some quick thoughts about what is about to happen in the market that I think is important. I just want to share with you my thoughts. So the ARMR Investing Way, it's a three-stage process. We build our whiteboard fundamental research. We use proprietary algorithms to drive our risk management decisions, and we use stop losses to protect ourselves. That's the three-stage process, helps us get rid of all the other noise. I'm sharing with you what I've been doing for over 30 years. Hope you find it helpful. Obviously, you got to do your own due diligence, figure out your own risk tolerance when it comes to making decisions. This market minute is about the non-farm payroll announcement coming tomorrow. It's a major economic number, happens every month. This month, perhaps more important than many. The most important piece of information we got when Chairman Powell spoke with us last month is that the Fed is not data dependent. They will be tapering this quarter and into next year. So why does non-farm payroll matter? In my opinion, if we get a much stronger than expected number, it means the taper will be happening faster than we think, right? Which is negative for the market. So let's just all remember the simple equation. Fed adds liquidity, markets go up. Fed reduces liquidity, markets go down. Period, full stop. That's it. Okay? So then you say to me, well, what happens if we have a weaker than expected non-farm payroll number? And that's the real conundrum that the Fed will be in. Okay? A weaker than expected number, after the Fed said they're going to taper anyway, tells us we're headed for stagflation. So let's go to the charts real quick. This is what you have to watch tomorrow. 8:30 is the news announcement, okay? So this is the S&P. We've rallied back up today, right to the downtrend, right to the 50-day moving average. What you want to follow, if you're an ETF person, you can follow interest rates any way you want. I like to use the TLT ETF, which is 20-year plus bonds, okay? Bonds, U.S. Treasury bonds, 20 years plus out, okay? The reason I use this is it is the most affected by interest rate swings, okay? TLT is already breaking down today, which is interesting. In front of the number, it's breaking down. It's down 1%. Rates are on the rise, okay? And we're seeing TLT make a new low since the sell-off began. What you want to monitor, obviously, is the response in TLT to what the NFP number is, right? A real breakdown and implosion here in TLT means rates are going up. That's a problem. And usually the reciprocal chart are the Qs. I'm not sure reciprocal is the right word there. It follows, so it's not reciprocal. This is what follows treasuries. So Qs have rallied up to the downtrend, up to the 50-day. Yeah, we had some Vanna flows, reasons for a pop there. But should treasuries continue to sell off aggressively tomorrow on non-farm payroll, you would expect some serious weakness here in treasuries. Okay? Now, the last thing I want to share with you are the precious metal stocks, precious metals in general, right? They've underperformed phenomenally over the last X amount of months. The ARMR algorithms that we use, geared towards individual ETFs, stocks, and big indexes, okay, they're giving us a risk-on entry point into gold itself. Not silver, not the mining stocks, just gold. Okay, so let's take a look at this chart and then ask ourselves what happens tomorrow on the non-farm payroll number. We're going to look at Sprott Physical Gold. This is our favorite way to play it. Okay, this is the downtrend gold's been suffering through. This is the double bottom gold is putting in. Okay, and so it's very early in the process. You don't have to be early. You don't have to run out there and buy gold today. But what's going to happen tomorrow on the NFP number and gold is going to be very telling to me. If you see a weaker than expected non-farm payroll number and gold takes off, it's telling you we've got a stagflation problem a la the 1970s, and it's getting worse. Okay? So those are the three things you want to watch tomorrow when the NFP number comes out at 8:30. ARMR Insiders, I'll see you all at 8:30 on the live trading desk. so we can talk about what's happening as it's going, and we'll be ready for trading at 9:30. The rest of you, I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you here on Saturday as usual for the weekend review. You all take care, all right?